Well, students, today we are going to solve exercise 8.2. Before solving questions of exercise 8.2, you must go through the values, particular values of trigonometric ratios with the angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Those values you have to remember are some tricks you must have with you to solve the problem with the angles, specific angle. These are 5 specific angles which are in your course: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So for these specific angles you have to remember the values of trigonometric ratios. Here for your help I am going to use 2 triangles only for solving all these questions. 2 triangles like this. One triangle is this, here 45 degree, 45 degree. This will also become 45 degree. 1 root 2. This is the triangle will help for angle 45 degree, whatever value is there. And another triangle is -60 degree. Then this angle will be 30 degree automatically, because sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Here it is 1, this is 2 and this is under root 3. These 6 values, whatever you see figure 1 root 2, 1 2 root 3, this will give help for the 18 values. 18 values: sine 45 degree, same way cos, tan, cot, sec and all, same way cos 60 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 30 degree, and another ratios value you can write from here. So with the help of this we are going to solve these questions. Evaluate means you have to find the value of this function which is given here. This question part 3. Here cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 plus cosec 30 equal to cos 45 degree. From there you can see what is cos 45 degree. Either you remember in your mind or with the help of table you can remember. There are many methods to remember the values. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. With the help of this 1 by root 2, base upon hypotenuse, divided by sec 30. Sec 30 is here. Here is base and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base. Sec 30 is hypotenuse upon base. Plus cosec 30. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. For 30 degree this is perpendicular. This one. 2. 2 by 1 you can write, or 2 only. 2 by 1 also you can write. Now we have to solve this one. Here you have to take LCM. 1 by root 2, this numerator as it is, divided by, here under root 3 is LCM. So 2 plus 2 root 3. We are getting 2 plus 2 root 3. Again, this will be multiplied on the top and this will be multiplied with this one. So under root 3 into 1 divided by, or 1 into root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. This is the value. Now, if you multiply this, what we are going to get? Root 3 divided by, or take 2 as common. 2 root 2. If you are taking 2 2 as a common, then this will become 2 root 2, and here it is 1 plus root 3. 1 plus root 3. This way, this value is not given in the answer because this denominator is irrational here. Denominator is irrational, so you have to rationalize this denominator. First you have to rationalize. For rationalizing, you know, there are methods to rationalize the denominator. You have learnt in chapter 1, or you have learnt in 9th class how this denominator is rationalized. You have to make rational number here. For this one, here is irrational number 2. Under root 2 is irrational. First you multiply it by root 2, then this will become rational. Numerator and denominator is multiplied by root 2. Under root 3 into root 2 upon 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3 into root 2. Multiplying numerator and denominator by root 2. So this will become root 6. Root 6 divided by root 2 into root 2. This will be multiplied. Root 2 and root 2 multiply, then it will become 2. 2 into 2, 4. We are getting here 4, 1 plus root 3. Again you see, this irrational number is still there. So now you multiply again with root 6 into 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3. Here it is 1 plus root 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3. 1 plus root 3. Multiply 1 minus root 3. Then numerator will be rational. Now leave this one. Root 6 plus minus root 6 into 3. 18. Multiply this. Root 6 into root 3. Root 18. Here leave 4 as it is. If you multiply this, then this will be 1 minus 3. 1 square minus root 3 square. A plus b, a minus b is, there is identity. So a plus b, a minus b, when it will be multiplied, then a square means 1 square minus root 3 square. Minus root 3 square means 3. Here what we are getting? Under root 6 minus root 18 can be written as 3 root 2 divided by, here it is minus 2 and this will give minus 8. If you put the minus on the numerator side, then we will get 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. This is the answer. Here denominator is now rational number. So this way you are going to get the answer. Note down this. Next, fourth part. Here sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. This value you have to evaluate. Evaluating this function. So again sin 30 degree, from there you can find out sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Tan 45 degree plus tan 45. Tan 45 you can take from here 1 by 1, 1 plus 1 by 1 also you can write, no problem, minus cosec 60 from here. Cosec 60 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 divided by sec 30. Sec 30 from here you can take 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 sec 30 plus cos 60. Cos 60 from here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus cot 45 from here 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means 1. You can write 1. Now here you have to solve again. Take LCM 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Here LCM is 2 root 3. Then this will be 1 plus root 3. This will be root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. 2 here denominator is 1 and here denominator is minus root 3. 2 root 3 is LCM. Here 2 dividing this denominator we will getting root 3 multiplied by 1 then root 3 and 1 by 1 means this will be the result of the division. So root 3 will be multiplied by 2 root 3 and if 2 root 3 divided by 3 you will get 2 into 2 4. Same way here also you can take LCM 2 root 3 divide by this then you get 4 plus divide by 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. We are getting 2 root 3. Here 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 will be cancelled. Both the denominator will be cancelled. Here root 3 plus 2 root 3. This will become 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by. Here also 2 root 3 and 1 root 3. This will be 3 root 3. 3 root 3 right here first and plus 4. Again here we are getting denominator as irrational number. We have to rationalize this denominator. Same way multiplying numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this number. 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 here it is plus 4 then you will take minus 4. 3 root 3 plus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4. Here we are taking reference from this sign. Well, if it is plus then we will take minus, if it is minus then we will take plus. Not here. We are not taking reference of this sign. We are taking reference of this sign which is in the denominator. If it is plus then we will be taking minus 1 and if it is minus then we will be taking plus 1. Now multiply this numerator. This will be square of this actually. Square of these two numbers are multiply. Simply you can multiply 3 root 3 square 9 into 3 27 square of this into 4 3 12 12 root 3 into this into this means 12 root 3 plus 16 divided by. Here it is identity a square minus b square. So a square means square of 3 root 3 9 into 3 27 minus square of 4 16. Here 27 plus 16 this will be 43. 27 plus 16 and 12 root 3 and 12 root 3 both are minus, so will be added minus 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 16 11. This is 11. Here denominator is rational number, so this is the answer. Note down this. part 5 cos square 60 degree, cos square 60 degree plus sec square 30 degree, sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Here again 5 is the number, leave it 5 as it is, multiply cos square 60 degree. Cos square 60 degree means cos 60 whole square. Value of cos 60, we will take the value of cos 60 from here. 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square, cos 60 whole square plus sec 30 whole square. Sec 30 will be taken from here, 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 here, 1 by 1 whole square divided by sin 30 will be taking here from here. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 again from here, under root 3 by 2 whole square, under root 3 by 2 whole square. Now square 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Here 5 by 4 minus 1, 5 by 4 plus 4 by 3, 5 by 4 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by 4 by 4. This is 4 by 4 means 1. This will become 1. Here you can take LCM. 12 is LCM. So 15. Here we are getting 15 plus 3 4 ja 4 4 ja 16 minus 12. This is 1. You can cut here 1. 15 plus 16 minus 12 means 4, 19 by 12. 15 plus 4, 19 by 12 is the answer. 19 by 12. Note down this.